I would be telling you why you should invest your time and refer people to earn ecoin. Okay, so when you click on the description below, you see my referral link, my ecoin referral link. When you click on it, it will show you this page. So you may likely not see where you will click to sign up. At the top right corner of your phone, you click on the three strike. Here is show you sign up. When you click on sign up and you fill in your details, a message will be sent to your email. You log into your email and you verify the message from ecoin, so that you'll be able to log into your accounts fully. Okay, so but before I proceed, before I log into my account, let me scroll down. I want to show you guys something. Okay, here is the interview, blockchain interview with Ashton Edison, the CEO of ecoin. Okay, so when you click on the video, you get more facts from the interview. So what made this ecoin to be tradable is that it's now in many exchange brochure. Okay, so let me log into my ecoin account. So let's take time and log in. So I will explain more facts on ecoin. So now I want to log into my account. So when I've logged into my account, here is my account. Okay, so far so good. I prefer just one person. Okay, so when you sign up through the link, through my referral link on the description below, it's going to show you this page, and please, you need to verify your phone number. So my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can verify your phone number, and make sure you have Instagram installed on your phone. Okay, make sure you have Telegram installed on your phone, not Instagram, Telegram installed on your phone, so that you'll be able to verify your phone number. So here, the good thing now is each person you refer, you get 750 ecoin. The 15% of the 750 ecoin is being deposited to charity box, which is here. You can see it. So when I sign up, I got 600 ecoin. Now when I check my saving balance, I have 750 ecoin. Okay, so now this 203 ecoin deposited in charity box, later in the future, option will be given, and you choose the charity organization you want to transfer the 203 ecoin in order to help the coronavirus affected victim. So the ways you can enter through ecoin is by inviting people. You need to keep on inviting people to ecoin website. Okay, so each person you invite, you gain 750 ecoin, and 15% will be deposited to the charity box, which is here. You see coronavirus charity box. Okay, so and again, ecoin is listed on many exchange, including a top crypto exchange like Probit. Okay, now when you go to Probit, you find out that ecoin is tradable. You can use it to exchange BTC, you can use it to exchange USD and euros. Okay, so the current value of 1,350 ecoin now is $8. So when you see the future value, the next 2 to 3 years, the future value of this ecoin will skyrocket to 135 USD, that is 135 USD. Okay, so as I was saying earlier, the easiest way to increase your savings is to refer more people. The more you refer, the more your coin keep on increasing. And the good thing about this is your downline. Let's say you refer like 30 persons, you're already getting 60 something USD. When you convert the coin, you are going to be giving when you convert the ecoin to dollars, you get like $6 something to 80 USD when you refer more people. And the good thing again is your downlines, the people you register through your link, when they register people, even though you not refer them, when they register other people, you are going to be giving 70 eCoin per each referral. Per each person they refer. Okay, imagine they refer like 50, 100, 200 people, your coin keep on increasing. So the easiest way to share your link to social media like Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, and so on, and try to tell people how it works. Okay, so it's tradable. And why you should invest your time and refer people, I have 3 facts. 1, the owner of the eCoin is known. His name is Ashton Edison. You can go and browse it. It's known. Unlike other websites that promises you BTC and the rest, they will not give it to you. But this one, the owner is known. It's legit. It's giving out this eCoin for free because it's helping the next generation to get back to their feet, so that people will feel the taste of Bitcoin. Because now Bitcoin, it's kind of expensive. Now eCoin is gaining ground on the exchange market. Every day it's increasing. Go and check the current rate of eCoin. You find out that the rate is always skyrocketing every day. It's skyrocketing every day. It's increasing as each day passes by. So okay, so you refer more people, then you earn. Then here is your savings account. When you keep on referring people, your savings account keep on increasing. So now I'll be able to withdraw my cash on 27 June, but I'm going to accumulate my coin. I'm not going to withdraw now. So guys, on my next video, I'm going to be telling you how to create Taylor's account on Wamba Wallet. You have to create Taylor's account on Wamba Wallet to enable you withdraw your coin, okay, to your Wamba Wallet from eCoin. So here I've already linked my account to my Wamba Wallet to enable me withdraw my eCoin. So my next video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you many things, how to link your account to your Wamba Wallet for easy withdrawal. I'm also going to show you guys how you can withdraw your coin. I also teach you guys how you can verify your phone number easily. So please go out there and invite more people. eCoin has come here to say, just like I said, it's legit. The owner of the site is known. They are giving free eCoin, and the eCoin is on the exchange market. Go to Probit very soon. It's gaining eCoin now. The next target of eCoin now is going into Binance. eCoin will gain ground in Binance pretty soon. Okay, let's utilize this opportunity and avoid the saying had I known. Okay, you're not asking for money. So quickly, I'm going to show you how you can get your referral link and get people to register through your referral link. But please, I'm begging you, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more video on eCoin, on the facts about eCoin. I'm going to be showing educative video, a video that you watch and you learn more things about eCoin and how you can get referrals fast and earn more money. Okay, so here my referral link. So you click on the referral link, it shows you this. Then you just click on copy link test. When you copy link test, okay, then you can post it to your Facebook accounts and whichever side you want to post it. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you find this video educative. I'm going to be dropping some links where you can easily join my Telegram channel for more info on eCoin. And also, please make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video so that you'll be notified when I drop the next video. Okay, stay glued to this channel, and very soon I'm going to drop my next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I love you all. See you on the next video.